Welcome back to Top for Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why your brakes are still squeaky after replacing it. The first common reason why the brakes are still making noise, that's because the brake pads are not yet bedded in. You're going to have to make a few hard stops, and you have to wait till the brake pads get extremely hot for the brake pads to be properly bedded in. The next reason is not applying brake grease on the back of the brake pad. Also, make sure to apply brake grease on the brake hardware or brake clip. These are going to be the spot where you have to apply brake grease. Also, make sure the anti-rattle shim is not loose or missing. Next, make sure to inspect the sliding pin. Make sure to pull back the boot and make sure to lube on the inside of the sliding pin. Also, if it is rusted, make sure to use a wire brush and brush out the rust on the sliding pin. If you're just changing the brake pads and you're reusing the old rotor, make sure the old rotor is in good condition. There should be no grooves, there should be no hard spot, there should be no high spot. Make sure the rotor is not warped and make sure there is no blue spots on it. Also, make sure the rotor is not cracked and make sure the rotor is not rusted. Check the cooling fin. If the rotor looks extremely rusted, it is time to replace it. If you're having a hard time removing the old rotor, you could either use a hammer and hit on it, or maybe there's also a screw on it that you might have to remove. For some rotor like this one is for a Toyota, you could actually insert a bolt and you can tighten up the bolt and this will cause the rotor to pop out. If you're planning to use the old brake hardware or clip, you can always use a wire brush and you can brush out the brake dust that is on it. This will ensure that the brake pads are going to be seated properly when you insert it back in. As you can see, that brake clip or hardware is cleaned after using a wire brush. Also, make sure that brake hardware or clip is not rusted and make sure it is not broken. I'd like to talk about the quality of brake pads. If you're using semi-metallic brake pads, these brake pads tend to be more noisy. If you want the brakes to be more quieter, you should always use ceramic pad or brake pads that are OEM. When you're done installing the brand new brake pads or rotor, make sure to pump the brakes a few times until the brake pedal feels hard to press. And also make sure to check the brake fluid level. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.